Degustabox and Ben wants to help for some reason. Is it because it's snacks?
Yep.
Yeah. I'll leave all the information about Degustabox down below with my discount code. This is not sent in PR. They did offer it and I turned it down. But yeah, this is Degustabox. I've done no spoilers this month either.
That doesn't make sense.
Why do I even let you be in the videos? Don't touch anything yet. No, they're yummy. We've had them before. Right, so this is, you've got to tell me, we've got to see if the theme works out, because normally there'll be like a picnic theme and then they'll give you stuff that you can't take on a picnic. So this theme is April UK versus international. So I will,
could mean anything really.
Yeah, I know, but I'll put it on the screen. Oh look, my battery's about to die. We need the other battery. Wait there. Change the battery, we're okay. So it's UK versus international. And the first thing we've got is what Ben said yuck to, but we've had before and they're really nice. Growers Garden, the Farmers Collective, broccoli. Oh no, these are with sour cream and chive. I don't know if I like that.
Better.
I've had broccoli crisps before and they're delicious. This is a really nice big bag. Go on then, open them up, crack them open. £1.99, which is fucking ridiculous. Growers Garden fresh broccoli crisps are believed to be the world's first crisps we made with fresh broccoli.
And last.
I don't like sour cream and chive. Not bad.
Oh right. I would say 26% broccoli rather than 57 though.
I like them. And they are green. They're nice. Yeah?
Oh.
Yeah. Told ya. Okay. Next. We've got alcohol, cider, pink apple cider. Wait a sec before you rip it open. You can't really see because of the glass. Crack it open then. £1.80 a bottle, and this is, I can't pronounce this, it's SX Ollie Scully cider. Are made exclusively from famous apples you already know and love, Golden Delicious, Granny Smith, and in this case Pink Lady, which is our favourite kind of apple. They're sourced directly from the Elgin Valley in South Africa. A light and easy drinking sessionable cider. I put it in a glass because I want to see what colour it is. It says it's pink. It's vegan and gluten free and it's available at Sainsbury's and Waitrose and selected pubs and clubs and bars. Just put it in one glass. We'll see what it's like.
Barmaid.
I don't like cider. Oh, it's not pink. They were all excited and thought it was going to be pink. I'll have a beer. Ben loves cider though. I used to drink cider. This is a huge glass. It smells quite nice. It smells a bit like Strongbow. Not as dry as Strongbow. But it's not bad.
That's quite nice.
Yeah. Just see what else is in here. Right, next up, we have got 2 packets of these, and these are Terry's Chocolate Orange Mini Popping Candy. And 2 packets of them. Crack one of them open. And it says, Minis Popping Candy retailed at £4. Oh, it says Terry's Chocolate Orange Easter Egg and Mini Popping Candy. I think they must have not sent us the Easter egg and just sent us the minis. We've just got 2 lots of that. I would not pay £4 for 2 packets of these. They're nice.
Quite nice.
Yeah, the girls will like them. So that was UK. That was rest of the world. Right. Oh, you like these. Sweet peppers. In a jar. Yeah?
Do I have to open this?
You don't have to open them, that's fine. That is rest of the world. £3, which is ridiculous. Pepper Dew Sweet Picante Peppers. are loved for their unique layered flavour. Don't you fart at me.
Oh, fine.
Why are you leaning?
I'm getting out of the shop.
I thought you were farting at me. And you put them in wraps and salads, you know what to do with them. Ben likes stuff like that, I don't. Next up, we've got 2 flapjacks. Bryn Mawr. Apple and raspberry and caramel fudge. They look nice. They are, I bet these are ridiculously expensive. £1.29 each. That's not too bad. At least they're not protein ones, because the protein ones taste minging. Lovingly baked in the heart of the Welsh countryside, Bryn Mawr flapjacks are the perfect fuel for any adventure. We can take them on our next walk with the girls. They'll like them. They'll probably like the raspberry one, I should think. They look good. Another one that you'll like, Tilda Peri Peri Basmati Rice. This is £1.59. I buy stuff like this, but only when it's on offer.
Boy, chocolate orange.
Oh. There you go.
Okay.
Yeah, I buy stuff like that when it's on offer. Is there a thing here with Tilda? Oh, it's got some recipes to do with the Tilda rice. And that has got, what's this? It's got chilli in it. Bird's eye chilli heat with green and red peppers, tomato, garlic, paprika, oregano, and zesty lemon. Not only delicious, but it's gluten-free and suitable for veggies and vegans. And it's available everywhere. So that's nice. I'm gonna give that a try. It says it's spicy, so we'll try it. Next up, we've got lazy ginger and lazy lemongrass. What are you doing with them?
I smell the lemongrass.
Oh. So these are like the lazy garlic. They're in a tube. They're £1.85. I do buy stuff like this, but again, only when it's on offer. It's basically just ginger or garlic or lemongrass blitzed up, and then it's like a teaspoon is the equivalent of a certain thing. So does it smell good?
Not much of a flavour. I smell it.
No. Cool, that has.
Oh, that, yeah, you know.
Piss off. That one smell quite nice. So yeah, they're good. Oh, we've got more kombucha. Where did we get this? Did we get kombucha in a? We had it recently, didn't we? In a box or?
I've never heard of it.
Yes, you have, because you tried it and you liked it and I didn't. It's weird to check because it's got caffeine in it, so I can't have it, but you can. And it's got raw kombucha. It's black tea basically, I think, and it's cherry plum and raspberry lemonade. Lemonade. They sound nice. They're cold as well because they've been outside, and they are very cold. But they're £1.85 each.
Energy drink for hour.
I know, but that's ridiculous. I wouldn't pay that for an energy. I wouldn't drink an energy drink. Kombucha Remedy Kombucha is a healthy and tasty soft drink made by naturally fermenting sweet tea with a live culture. The result is a sparkling drink that contains live cultures, tea, polyphenols, organic acids, and no sugar. Yeah.
Yeah, delicious.
Yummy. And then our last item looks nice. You can get rid of the box now. These are Percy's chocolate shortbread sticks, caramel. They sound lovely. Is this what you came for? Don't do that. There's £3.
What is it?
Like 8 caramel shortbreads.
Maybe an 8.
How many's in here? That's ridiculous. £3 for that is absolutely ridiculous. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I was wrong, 9.
How many could you fit up your nose at once?
1 on each nostril, I think. No.
Prove it.
Do you want one? Gross. They're nice. They don't taste like caramel.
Don't taste as much.
No. I'd go for a box of Cadbury fingers over them. Yeah?
Yep.
But they're alright. The girls will like them. But they're in no way, shape or form worth £3. At all. What's your favourite thing?
These.
Not the cider?
It's nice, but it doesn't taste much different to any other cider.
I think these. And these. They don't smell like sour cream and chive, I don't think.
The broccoli is the flavour.
But they're really nice. I really liked them last time. I'm going to save them and let the girls try them tomorrow. It was okay, but again, it is another very vague theme, isn't it?
You could probably make your own theme.
Yeah. If you can think of a better name for this theme, let me know. I'm sad we didn't get the egg, because it's a Terry's chocolate orange Easter egg and mini popping candy. So we just got 2 lots of the popping candy, we didn't get an egg, which is a shame. Oh look, there's other ones as well. You can get Golden Delicious cider and Granny Smith cider. I bet the Granny Smith one just tastes like Strongbow.
No, Strongbow's quite sweet.
Strongbow's dry.
Yeah, sweet as well.
You
Granny
think?
Smith would be quite...
Granny Smith are tart.
You're a tart.
Thanks. Oh, we've got 50p off your next Scully cider. Oh, no, it expires next year, it's fine. I thought it expired this year, it's fine. So yeah, that was Degustabox for April. Thumbs up or thumbs down?
On the thermometer, we'll go there.
There. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think it was alright.
Where would it be on your thermometer?
I'll give it a thumbs up.
How much of up?
A thumbs up because of the
What
chocolate
angle?
orange. Full on thumbs up. Can I have a beer? So yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you soon. Bye!